Good day, everyone, especially to all mothers out there. Today, I will be sharing a recipe that might coat your interest, and you can try to cook this for your family. It's a simple recipe yet nutritious and delicious. How I hope magugustuhan ninyo. Anyway, kung bago lang kayo sa aming channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what you can say about the video or share some suggestions. We gladly hear you out. And please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our upcoming new videos. Anyways, our recipe for today was spicy scallop soup. Well, originally I cooked this often using dried pollock. In this recipe, we'll be needing, of course, scallop. We also have here sprouted soybean. We also have here radish and onion cut into bits, a piece of long green chili, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 red chili or siling labuyo, and sliced spring onions. And to taste, I have here with me 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes or chili powder, 1 teaspoon of MSG for our added seasoning. And I have here traditional Korean clay pot that I will use for cooking. Most of Koreans has this in their home. This traditional Korean clay pot often used to cook any soup recipe to keep the food warm. Now guys, let's start to cook. It's just so simple and easy. Just put all the ingredients into the pot. It's not necessary which to put first. Let's add also our fish sauce, then our chili powder, and also our MSG. And then, add enough water to cover up all the ingredients. Next, let's bring to boil. Turn on the stove into high heat. As you can see guys, our soup is already boiling. Let's just boil a little bit more. Then guys, let's check how does it taste. For me, it's just well blended. It tastes how I expected. It's tasty and a bit spicy. Well, you can adjust the taste guys according to your taste. You can eliminate the chili powder if you're not into spicy. Anyway, I forgot to mention, instead of using scallop, we can also use dried pollock, even shrimp or squid, and octopus may do. Our soup is ready to go. Let's just put our last ingredients, which is our spring onion. After putting our spring onion, we need to turn off the stove in an instant. And then see guys, as I've told you, even though wala na tayong flame, our soup is still boiling because of our tupegi. This is the power of tupegi. Tupegi. Or Korean traditional clay pot. Anyways, our recipe is best to serve while still hot. Thank you for spending your precious time for watching. Hope nag-enjoy kayo at nagustuhan ninyo this video. Again, if you're just new to our channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our new videos. See you next time. Bye-bye! Dun 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 dun.